Hi guys! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on Snapchat. This can help you to save your battery. Watch the video till the end. It's easy. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store and check if Snapchat is updated. If not, click on Update. After that, go to Snapchat. First, go to our profile in the upper left corner. And after that, open Settings in the upper right corner. Various options will open. Scroll down and find the App Appearance option. Click. Here you can choose between 3 options. The theme can be inherited from the device, always light and always dark. We choose always dark. When we have done that, let's go back 2 steps and check if the adjustment is applied. That's all for this video. I hope it helped you. If so, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials.